Hey guys, welcome to my channel Manvi Ginni. So today we are making DIY string art name board. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for this you will need a pin board which is available at any plywood store, printout of letters, 2 wool ball, 1 box of all pin and 1 bottle of acrylic paint of any color. So first of all, take the pin board and paint it with acrylic color. Now take the printout of letter and cut it. Rearrange the letter as you want. Now take the all pin and place them around the letter. Remove the printed letter. Take the wool and tie it around the first pin. Take the string and tie it around the pins to make the outline of the letter. Continue tying the string around the letter in a crisscross manner. When it's done, tie the string securely to a pin. Repeat this on other letters too. And it's done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Bye.